Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to my latest listing, 2156 West 237th Street in Torrance. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in over 1,600 square feet. And this entry provides a beautiful skylight, stacked stone accents, and a charming red door. Let's have a look inside. Step into this generous entry complete with a coat closet. Right off the entry, you'll find this abundant living room. It has beautiful lighting from the skylight to the recessed lights, crown molding, fresh paint, baseboards, and new flooring. This home has been recently refreshed and is ready for you to move right in and enjoy. There's a separate family room that features a fireplace focal point and lots of windows. The family room flows right into this beautiful dining room. And one of the things that makes this home truly special is the abundant custom cabinetry throughout. Here in this dining room, we do have these gorgeous built-ins with the glass display up top. We have granite countertops and plenty of storage space below. Here you'll find access out to the park-like backyard. We'll have a look at that later, but first, let's take a look at the kitchen. And speaking of custom cabinetry, this kitchen has a few tricks up its sleeve. Check this out. This kitchen is huge. It includes all these stainless steel appliances, even a trash compactor, these beautiful granite slab countertops, deep sinks, and this sunny garden window. Just off the living space, you'll find the first full bathroom. Just off the hall are the first 2 bedrooms. And this one is a flexible space that there's a desk built into the closet as well as a Murphy bed. On the other end of the home, you'll find this private primary suite. Here we have 2 closets complete with built-ins, and there's even a walk-in. Continue to the bathroom with a lovely vanity area, quartz countertops, and you do have privacy doors to the restroom and shower tub combo with this beautiful glass mosaic tile. This dream come true laundry room offers even more of the built-in custom cabinetry. There's a sink, plenty of folding countertop space, and it includes the washer and dryer. This home sits on an over 7,600 square foot lot, and the backyard is south facing, so you get beautiful sunshine all day long. So thank you for joining me on this first look of my latest listing. Please reach out today to arrange for your own private tour.